Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Google Veo 3 completely free for 15 months. Yes, you heard that right. Just follow along step by step, and you'll have it up and running in no time. Let's go. All right, first, we need to change our location to the US, so go to Google and search for Browsec VPN extension. Click on the first link. Now click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. Once it's added, pin the extension to your browser. Now, click on the extension icon, click Change, and select United States as your location. We're in the US now virtually. That's important for the next steps. Now, check the description box or first comment. You'll find a special link there. Copy it, paste it into your browser, and hit Enter. You should now see a page that says Verify Student Status. Click on Verify Student Status. Now, don't worry, I got you. Go to the website mentioned in the description that gives you temporary .edu emails. Click on Select a domain and choose one that ends with .edu. In the text box, type any name, I'll use my channel name, and click Create. Now hit Copy to copy your temporary student email. Go back to the Google page and paste your .edu email into the box. Click Verify. Now, Google will send you a verification code. Now, go back to the temp email site. Copy that code, paste it in the verification box, and hit Submit. And just like that, we're eligible for Google AI Pro. Click on Continue, then hit Start Trial. Now they'll ask for your card details. Don't worry, they only charge $0 to $1 just to verify your card is real. That small charge gets rolled back instantly, so no worries. This is a common step for a trial verification and is totally safe. In the billing zip code section, just Google USA zip code, copy any of them, and paste it in. Then click Save Card. Now, since I've already used this card with another Google account, I can't re-add it here. But once you add yours, you'll receive a welcome email that says, "Welcome to Google AI Pro. Congrats! You now have full access for 15 months. Let's test it out. Search Google Veo 3. Click Try Veo. Write your video prompt, hit Enter, and wait 3 to 5 minutes. And boom, our video is ready. Seriously, check it out. It's insane. So, that's how you get Google Veo 3 for free for 15 months using just a few tricks. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more free AI hacks and tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you got access.